How do power generators self-excite without external power? Imagine a power generator starting up without anyone plugging it into a power source. It sounds like magic, but it's actually science working behind the scenes. Let's find out how this happens. Power generators need a magnetic field in their rotors to produce electricity. Usually, this field is created by applying direct current from an outside source. But in self-excited generators, the process is different. They can generate their own magnetic field without external power. How? It all begins with residual magnetism. Residual magnetism is a tiny bit of magnetism left in the iron core of the rotor after the generator is turned off. When the rotor starts spinning, this small magnetism induces a tiny voltage in the stator windings. This small voltage is enough to kickstart the process. It flows into an automatic voltage regulator, which controls the amount of direct current sent to the exciter stator. The exciter stator then produces an alternating current. This AC is converted into direct current by a rotating diode assembly. The direct current flows into the main rotor windings, strengthening the magnetic field. As the magnetic field gets stronger, the voltage in the stator increases. This increased voltage feeds back into the automatic voltage regulator, which adjusts the excitation current to keep the output voltage steady. This feedback loop keeps building the magnetic field until the generator reaches its full operating voltage. Once that happens, the generator is self-sustaining. It no longer needs an external power source because it uses its own output to maintain the magnetic field. This method is common in shunt-excited generators, which are simple and cost-effective. They are often used for backup power or small-scale applications. But if the rotor loses its residual magnetism, the generator can't self-excite. In that case, an external source, called field flashing, is needed to restore magnetism. Self-excitation makes power generators more reliable and easier to operate. It allows them to start up quickly and run independently. This is especially useful in renewable energy systems like wind turbines and small hydro plants, where simplicity and dependability are key. So, in short, power generators can self-excite by using the tiny magnetism left in their rotors and a feedback system that uses their own output to build and maintain the magnetic field. This clever process keeps the power flowing without needing outside help.